So there's this new headset that's coming out. It was originally announced as a whopping $1,500 AR headset for enterprise, big business customers. The Lynx R1 is undergoing a radical change, and they're streamlining it and slimming it down, and they're getting ready to retail it to customers for just a few $100s, making it one of the few headsets trying to compete in the same market as the Quest 2. Now, this is a really big deal. It is a kind of a goofy looking headset, let's say. I included a picture for all the hosts to see it a little bit lower on our... Yeah, but it looks real goofy. It looks like a headband that just goes around your face, and then a brick that just sits right in front of your eyes.
You remember those? What were those things kids used to play with? You'd put it up on your eyes, and you'd see a picture through it, and then you'd click, and the pictures would change inside of it. You remember
Jay,
that?
I'm pretty sure no one born in the last 20 years
Oh
knows what
my
you're
God,
talking
come
about.
on!
I know what those are. I know what
Wonder
those are.
Vision. I don't know what the hell they're
I don't remember what they're called, but I remember what they are. I used to
Yeah.
have one that was a projector. It was like an X-Men toy. You'd put those little like things in, and it would display it on the wall as a projector.
Right, but it looks exactly like that, except it's strapped to your head now.
Yeah, all the time. You can't escape it.
Apparently, it does come with an extra attachment to actually hook it to your face to block out peripheral light, and that'll make it look more like a traditional VR headset. But all the pictures that you'll look up of this thing look goofy. But the reason why it looks like this is that this is both an AR and a VR headset. So it has crazy quality cameras that are able to project like a really good image of the room in full color and then put virtual objects into that room. And it's a really cool concept, and retailing at just a few $100s is what they're saying.
Now because it's going to be so much cheaper. I was reading about that. One of the components is so much cheaper they could sell it for that little. That's crazy.
So
yeah, well, they just started ripping out things. Yeah, what was that?
Had they confirmed the price point? Because the article I read said that it would be a headset under $1,000 that could be as low as a couple $100s, but it seemed like the price point was it could be anywhere from $200 to $1,000.
So the creator, the creator, there's no confirmed price point yet. It's currently undergoing a couple of Kickstarter campaigns or things of that nature. They're trying to get venture funding. The creator of this headset made a statement that said it would retail for a few $100s. So whatever you take that to mean, but they're hoping to land it right in the same market as the Quest 2, which for me, that kind of means that they're shooting for no more than $400.
Yeah.
I agree.
So I don't know. In response to the headset itself, though, I love the way it looks. It actually basically is the first headset I've seen that I'm like, I am seriously considering this because it's basically built the way that I wear my Quest, because I have the counterweights in the back of my Quest with the Halo strap, and then I have my Quest headset basically floating in front of my face. My Quest doesn't, the front part of my Quest doesn't actually touch my cheeks at all. So because of that, I'm looking at this headset and I'm like, hey, they basically are making a headset for me, and now they're adding in AR, which I'm super interested and excited about. That to me is, especially considering the price point, is all win, but we haven't seen controllers yet, and I don't know about the price for sure.
That shocks me because nothing about this screams appealing to me about this headset. It just looks like you tied a sweatband to an iPad and then hung that in front of your face.
Isn't that what the Halo stuff is, though?
Nothing about this headset looks good to me. And one of the main problems, and this is something that you brought up, it doesn't ship with controllers. You have to get extra controllers, and it says that they're supporting all these different third-party controllers, and it all works with SteamVR and everything like that. But we're talking a couple $100 VR headset that doesn't come with controllers. It's going to make it a little bit of a harder sell.
Plus, those controllers, if you're coming from Oculus, it's probably not going to support Oculus controllers, which means you're going to be having to buy base stations for Vive controllers or Index controllers. So it's going to increase the cost.
Almost certainly. But we don't have a ton of information on this headset yet. It's currently undergoing a Kickstarter campaign. for some various aspect of it. I didn't look into it too much. It's not like it's my job or anything, right? But if you're interested in this headset, go and check it out. It's the Lynx R1, and it might be your next headset.
It could be.
Or it might never come out, and you might have spent money on a Kickstarter that takes your money and doesn't come out.
I wonder what the
They need hope.
percentage.
They need hope.
I wonder what the percentage is
just-
of don't get funded ones. I feel like it's probably a lot.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm always worried because I see these amazing products on Kickstarter. And I'm like, you do realize, like, I have to tell myself that, okay, it might not actually come out. You might just get nothing, or it might come out and be something totally different.
Just kidding. Oh, it's so